This is your Jenny the Bottle and good morning! Good morning nga! Sinabi ko na sa inyo. So, it's around 6:37 in the morning. It's a windy day here in Doha and I'm here at the Corniche. Diba? Ang ganda. So, perfect pa rin ang weather for walking and running. Tapos behind me, ayan, behind me is called the Amiri B1. Sorry, naririnig niyo ba? Kasi super windy today. Ayan. Ito yung isang location na merong FIFA World Cup na word 2022. Hindi pa nila talaga tinatanggal yan. Ayan. Tapos, yung mga poles na yan, those poles, nandyan yung mga different flags na sumali sa FIFA World Cup. Tapos, if you can see, marami mga boats dito. And marami ring nagfi-fishing. Ito nga pala yung ang tawag sa ganyan, sorry. Naglo-load pa ako. Ayan, dun. Dun, maraming nagfi-fishing. And another thing on this side, dyan yung Souq Waqif. Yan, if you're gonna come here sa Qatar, ito yung one of the best spots to go to kasi it's like you traveled back in time dito sa Souq Waqif. Alam ko dati nung FIFA World Cup na vlog ko, meron ako dyan. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung picture so you can see. Tapos doon din nagsayaw si Jungkook. Yan ang Souq Waqif. Diba? So nice. Especially at night because it's so colorful. Dito daw
guys, dito yung area na to, yung shooting ni Jungkook.
Okay.
Yung sa Dreamers niya.
Ako naman sa inyo. So, for sure, a lot of visitors here in Doha, they usually come to take a photo of this Pearl and Oyster Monument. Actually, itong Pearl and Oyster Monument is a tribute doon sa pearling diving history ng Qatar before pa ma-discover ang oil and gas. So, andito siya in front of the port. Kaya makikita nyo maraming mga boats. Ayan. Gusto ko tong vlog natin. Very educational, no? Tapos, today is a Friday. It's May 1st! Imagine, May 2026 na. Napakabilis ng araw. Almost mid of the year na. Susunod na naman yan. Burr months na naman. OMG. Okay, so I'm actually done with my 4-kilometer run. So I'm just walking back to our car. Yung husband ko, he's still doing his long run. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita pabalik. Galing na ako doon kay Ori kanina. And I'm going back to our car. At nag-park kami doon sa Mia parking area. Yung Mia is the Museum of Islamic Art. So, if you're gonna visit Qatar, then maganda ring magpunta doon. Those are not the artifacts from Qatar, pero most of the Asian countries nandoon. Maganda rin, magandang experience din naman. But, sa mga residents ng Qatar, if you have a QID, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so if you haven't visited the Museum of Islamic Art, it's free for us, okay? And if you are a tourist, you have to pay, I think, 50 riyals. Ito na si Upakan. Ayan. Ay, meron yatang wedding. Ayan, oh, paikot-ikot sila. Tapos may mga, ayan. Yun yung bride and groom. That's a bride and groom. Congratulations to you. Ayan, yun yung nakikita. Hello. And we will do our bulletin board. Ayan, nag-vlog ako. Ayan, si Miss Eve. Say hi. Ayan, ito yung dating bulletin board. And then, mamaya, you'll see what will happen to this board. Okay, na-change na namin ang background. Nilalagay na Miss Eve ang border. So, hi guys, it's vlog takeover. Busy sila eh. Vlog takeover. Ako muna mag-ano. Welcome to Jenny Vlogs. Sige, gano'n siya ka-hard work na luhod na sila, di ba? Maybe this one. Ayan. That one. Oh, may naitulong ako. We're almost done. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo itong mga details na ginawa namin. Ayan. This one is 3D. Ito, 3D rin siya. Okay. Kaya ko ipakita yung mga mukha ng students sa morning. So, tapusin na natin ngayon ang ating board. Finishing touches. Before anything else, before we start our day, coffee muna tayo. Ayan, care of Miss Rose. Siya nga pala ang may birthday today. Ayan, happy birthday, Miss Rose. Okay, I got my coffee. Iced Americano. Feeling Korean. Good morning. Sama ka ba sa vlog ko? Teka lang ah. Good morning!
Good morning, Jen. How are you?
Ayoko to. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
You will see yourself in YouTube.
I will choose sometime.
I will tell you. Ayan, we have free books. Ayan, oh. Kunyari, studios kami, oh. Ito cute siya. For Maxine.
For myself.
Yeah, this one is for myself.
I like the cover.
Maxine. Ayan. Cute. Thank you po, librarian. Good morning. So, it's our salon day ni Max. So, before ng kanyang birthday, magpapa-trim lang naman siya ng hair para medyo may body, you know. Okay. It's Maxine's turn. Ito ang aking haircut. There. We are here at City Center. Tapos ito kami sa Applebee's. Tapos si Max kasi, yung mga groupmates niya, parang end of year gathering nila. Silang parang mga 5 lang yata silang students. So, nandun sila sa Fun City. Okay, while waiting for Max, kain muna kami. Okay, let's eat po. Oh, mga bro, I got my powder from MAC. So, I think ang nagbenta sa akin is si Miss Marlene. So, I highly recommend na itong MAC na to dito sa City Center. So, very good na service niya. Yun nga lang, medyo naparami ng blusher. Ang pula ng pisngi ko. And grocery muna kami. So far, ito pa lang ang nakukuha namin. Yan. Yan, kung uuwi kayo, sale on chocolates. Okay? Yan. Yan. Yung bigas dito is 18.75 and it's 5 kilos. Kuha tayo ng gummies ni Maxine. Na lang kunin natin ito. This one. I-discover kaming pizza ito. Sarap siya. There. And, kano to? 1975. Sa mga plantita. This one is, ano? 160. Ang cute. Ayan o. Ganda ng mga color. Ito ang cute. Ang cute ng color. Newly improved na coffee shop ng Carrefour City Center. Ayan. Dati hindi ganyan yan. Mas lumaki pa siya, oh. Diba? Okay,
Egg
must
pie.
try.
Sarap.
Magkano siya?
17 reals.
17 reals. Pero maliit lang, no? Para mga 4 inches. 3 or 4 inches lang. Pero very good yan.
Pang sa
Ito tayo. Just for you to know. Ito, sea bass, 69. Let's try this kausan. Try natin yun. Yung almond yung kunin natin. Snowy almond. Hi, can I have chai Thai snowy almond? Only one. Nothing else. Guys, ang laki niya. Oh. Let's taste. Mamaya. Masarap niya. Okay mga bro, we're on our way home. Tapos, yung sa total bill ng greengrocery namin is 667 reals. Lagay ko na lang dito yung conversion in peso. So, yung conversion pala ngayon is magkano ni? 16.55. Diba? Ang taas ng palitan. Pero, umabot nga na 16.91 nung parang 2 days ago. Sayang nga hindi pa nakapagpadala, no? Well, anyway. So, let's end this video. I hope you liked it. So, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jenny na Bottle. See you in my next video. Bye!